Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to move a file on ZTE Blade A32. So let's start with opening the Files application. And now let's open some file. And here select a file that you want to move. Now click on the three dots icon. And now click on Move to. And here you can choose between internal storage and SD card. I'm gonna choose SD card. And now you can choose the folder that you want to move your file into. And when you are in a desired folder, just click Move Here button. And now your file has been moved. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.